Good morning, class. Let us continue our chapter number 8, Exploring Discrimination. We have read this first page in which we have studied how a doctor was differentiating, or you can say discriminating, between the two families on their social status by seeing their looks. Okay, so which we understood that it is wrong. Now let's study the second scenario. Scenario 2, a businessman decided to give a donation to a school so that the school could buy some technological instruments to aid in class teaching and learning. Now there was a businessman who decided to give donation to a school so that they can buy some technological instruments like for chemistry lab or physics lab or anything. So he decided to give them the donation and help in the students' learning. He looked at a school that was for boys, and he saw also a school and that was for only boys. They had a lot of sports facilities and were known for their success in competition sports, and that school was having a lot of sports facilities and they were known for their success in competitions of sports. The second school was a girls school and the other school was of girls school. It admitted girls from all sections of society, and that school was good. It admitted all girls of all sections of the society. This school was trying out different approaches to teaching, where student peers were also involved in teaching their peers. Now this school was trying different teaching. This school was trying out different approaches, different methods they were trying to teach the students, where everybody was involved in helping in teaching. Now the businessman decided to give funding to the all boys school, as he believed that only boys can work and study hard. Now this businessman decided to give his donation, his funds, to the school of only boys, because he believed that only boys can work hard, they can only bring fame and name. He also believed that girls should be taught only enough so that they can organize their household when they grow up. And he used to think that only girls should only be taught to a limit, only that much they can organize the household and they can give their work to the family properly. That's all, nothing else. Now children, do you agree with this, that this should be done between boys and girls? Now this type of gender biasness is not right. We should not differentiate, we should not discriminate on the basis of gender, that they are girls and they are boys, they are less, they are more. This is wrong, children. This is absolutely wrong. Now there are some activities given which you can do it yourself. They are very easy. Like, what things did the scenarios show? Does this show equality? No. Preferential treatment means they are preferring one thing and not preferring the other one. Bias. They are being biased. Encouragement? No. They were discouraging the girls and encouraging the boys in both the cases. And in one he was encouraging the rich families and discouraging the poor families. Kindness was not at all there. They were not thinking that everybody is a human being and we shouldn't discriminate. They were not thinking this thing. And prejudice was there, means preconceived opinion they were having. They were not deciding at the moment. They were not deciding on the basis of merit. They were not deciding on the basis of qualities or anything. They were just having a pre-opinion that they are girls, they cannot do, and they are boys, they can do. This is a poor family, so it's a bad family, and we should give more importance to rich family. Means they were having a preconceived opinion. Already they were having an opinion. Now who was given more privileges and why? In the scenario 1, the rich family was given more privilege. And why? Because there was discrimination being done. In the second scenario, the boys were given more preference because according to the businessman, boys can do better than girls. Now discrimination refers to making a distinction in the treatment of people, individuals or groups based on their sex, race, nationality, looks and the factors. Now what is discrimination? Here the definition is given to you, that it is the distinction in the treatment of people, how you are treating the people, the single individual or groups of people on the basis of their looks, on the basis of their nationality. Okay, this is Indian, okay, this is from America, he is from Pakistan. We are differentiating on the basis of their nationality. We are differentiating them on the basis of their looks, means on their color, on their outlook, how they're looking to you. You are thinking, okay, he's wearing good dress, so he's a well dressed person, and he's a rich person, and the other one is a poor person. So your treatment is based on their looks. So all these things are wrong, children. The two stories that you read before talked about discrimination based first on social status. In the first scenario, when the doctor was discriminating, that was based on social status, and then on gender. Discrimination is not allowed by law, and in our constitution it is not allowed at all by law. It is an unfair practice. Our law says that it is unfair. It is not good to discriminate between the people on any basis. Are you ready to explore discrimination more? Now children, it's your duty that you should see where this is still going on, and should try to make people aware, and first you be aware yourself that you are not being discriminated on any basis, and you are not doing this thing with others, because this is totally wrong, children. Okay, have you ever experienced discrimination or seen someone being discriminated against because they were different? If you have heard someone or seen someone, or have you been through this in your life, so you should share it with the class. You can write a small paragraph on this. Okay, now this chapter is again over, children, and what are we going to learn from this chapter is that only that we should not discriminate. Children, God has made us each one equally and beautifully. Each one of us are talented, are intelligent, everything. We are equal. When God is not discriminating, who are we to discriminate, children? So this is absolutely wrong practice. We should not allow it to happen with us, or shouldn't do it with anyone else even. Okay class, I hope this chapter is clear. Now you have to read it yourself once. Okay, now here some more things are given. Discrimination is there on many bases, like gender discrimination, religious, on the basis of religion, discrimination based on wealth, on color of skin, and workplace. Many more are there. So you can go through this, read it, and stop discrimination. You should stop it. Okay class. Now guess what? What do you think is happening in the picture? Can you see? All of them are holding their hands and playing, and these two children are standing alone. Means they are being discriminated on any basis. They must be discriminating. She is not looking nice, or she is poor, or she is not intelligent. Any kind of thing they must be having. So what is happening in this picture? Just one word answer: discrimination is going on. So please read this chapter one more time. Okay class, thank you.